Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to, in this general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and localize build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and go back to the general settings. Enter the system, scroll and enter developer options, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher to turn on this option, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.